Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. I just received this product. I saw this at my friend's house, and it's very good product, so I get it today, and I bought from Shopee. And before we unboxing, let's go to the pictures and also the description. Okay, so here it is, the pictures. It's a Ldnio A2522C 30W Qc4.0. Okay, and the price that I bought is 28.80 85 cents, 86 cents. Previously it was 59. And yes, supercharge. Okay, see, whatever. The description. This one. Okay. This one. Let's see. So that PD output, the Type C. Maximum 20 volt, 1.5A. And then the USB output is 12 volt, 2.5A. Right, that's it. Okay, so let's go to the unboxing. This is the box. Okay. Can't see it. Sorry, but something to the other. Okay. Then this. So the product specification. USB. Wait. Yeah. With micro sites. Okay. This is behind. Okay. Let's use it. Okay. That's right. This one actually came with the the UK charger. Okay, so something inside. Right, so this is it. Why? Probably is a good product, that's why. Right, just this one. Okay. Okay, so this is the charger. Let's get the detail. Okay, the description, and then this one PDQC. Okay, I think that's a display. There's a plastic, so yeah, nice. Okay, then the one that I bought came with the UK type charger plug. So let's try. Probably like this. Yeah. Wait. Just like it. That's that. Okay, done. So it looks like this. Okay. Micro. I thought it's Type C, but give me micro. Okay. So yeah, that's it. The unboxing, and if you're interested with the product, I'm gonna leave the link below the video. Bye bye.